Then the next thing we're going to focus on is the forward basic. So it's going to be the same thing as the side to side, but you're going to start off going, forward and then backwards. It's going to be a 4x4. So starting off, we're going to go forward on the 1 with your left foot, and then you're going to come forward on the right foot. So your feet are going to come together, and then forward again on your left on the 3, and then tap on the 4. Because again, we're doing the weight shift, and we're going to go back on our right with the 5. So then we're going to go 5 back on your right, 6 together with your left, 7 back on right, and then tap on 8 with your left foot. So that the whole thing together is going to look like 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap.